Hey everybody. So for today's workout, we're going to start with an EMOM for the skill. So every minute on the minute for 10 minutes, we're going to do 20 hollow rocks on the odd minutes and 20 arch rocks on the even minutes. So set your clocks to beep every minute. If you don't have a clock that can do that, go to your app store and download a WOD timer, CrossFit clock. There's millions of options. You'll find something. So starting with the hollow rock, we're laying on the floor. You're going to crunch up into that banana shape. You're going to keep your arms long and legs long, so point your toes away from you, point your hands away from you. But we're pulling that rib cage down toward the pelvis and vice versa. Keep your lower back on the floor, and we're just rocking back and forth. This is not a big rock. You don't want to come all the way up into a seated position. It's just a small rock with your lower back on the floor. Nice tight crunch. If you can't quite do that, the way we can scale that is bring your knees up, put your hands on your knees, and then crunch into that position. So bring your rib cage down toward your legs. And once again, small rock. We're just rocking back and forth for the hollow rock. On the the even minutes, we're going to do the arch rock. So you're laying on your stomach. We're going to crunch up into the Superman position. So that's shoulders up, legs up. And then we're going to just rock back and forth on the stomach. Sometimes this is hard to get moving, so get your feet up toward your head to start the rock, and then just initiate the rock and go back and forth. We're going to do that for 10 minutes. It's a lot harder than it sounds, but you'll get it in. The workout today is death by push-ups. So in the blue, it's death by knee push-ups. In the black, it's death by push-ups. So the way this works is you're going to once again have your clock to beep every minute. In minute 1, you're going to do 1 push-up, just 1 push-up. In minute 2, you're going to do 2 push-ups, just 2. And then minute 3, you're going to do 3, etc., etc. In the beginning, there's quite a bit of rest. You're going to do 1 push-up, which is going to take you 1 second, and you're going to have 59 seconds rest. That rest goes away very quickly. You're going to keep doing this until you no longer can. So let's say we're in minute 14 and you have to do 14 push-ups, but you only get 13 done. So you're done. You're eliminated. Some of us will go very far in this, into the 20s and 30s. Some of us will only go into number 7 or 8. You are eliminated once you're done. So your full score in that case would be, let's say you got 11 rounds done. You'd have 11 plus whatever you got in the 12th round, maybe 9. Now, let's say you finish your 11th round, you got your 11th push-up right before the buzzer. There's no way you're going to finish the 12. Your score should not say 11 because every rep counts. So even though you know you're not going to finish the 12th round, get as many as you can. Your score should be something like 11 plus 9 or something like that. Okay, so let's go over the push-up. We're going to start with the knee push-up. So you're on your knees, obviously. You're going to go chest to the floor and elbows fully extended at the top. I don't want to see half reps on this. The goal of this is not to get as many half reps as you can till you're eliminated. The goal is to get as many real push-ups, chest to the floor, elbows extended, in the time that we give you with the rep scheme that you're given. See where you can go, see when you get eliminated, see what your true score is. Don't just start with good reps and then halfway through just start doing quarter reps. If your chest is not touching the floor and you're not locking your elbows, you're not doing push-ups. What we're looking for in the knee push-up is that our stomach is not touching the floor. It's okay if it does. We're not going to throw you out of the death by competition here. But you do want to try not to get your stomach to the floor. Chest to the floor, elbows extended. In the regular push-up, it's the same thing, but obviously our knees are not on the floor. If your legs are touching the floor here, we should probably be doing knee push-ups. That's our death by. We're going to go as far as we can. Once you're eliminated, you're eliminated. Log your scores on beyond the whiteboard. I'm looking forward to doing this one. This is one of my favorite workouts personally, so you'll see my score up there too. And we will see you on Monday.